Hey guys, let's practice relating fractions to area one more time. So let's review. When you model fractions, remember these words. Fraction names part of a whole or part of a set. The numerator is the top number of a fraction, usually answering that question. So here's what the numerator would look like right here, the 3. And the denominator is the bottom part of a fraction, and it tells the number of equal parts. So how many equal parts are there? 4. Write a fraction to name the shaded part of the set. So we have a set of shapes, set of circles. We're going to count the total number of circles. There are 5 circles. And remember, the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be our denominator. So I'm going to write that right here. I'm going to write it a little bit bigger because those boxes are tiny. And then we're going to count the number of shaded circles because it says write a fraction to name the shaded part. So I'm going to underline that just so I remember. I'm counting the shaded ones, remember? And the shaded ones are the ones that are colored in, not the white ones. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 shaded circles. So my numerator is going to say, answer the question. Write a fraction to name the shaded part of the set, 3/5. So the fraction 3/5 names the shaded part of the set. Let's try it again. So let's see, how many total do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be my denominator. And how many are shaded? We're doing the shaded part. 1, 2, 3. So we would have 3/4 is shaded on number 1. How many total on number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for my denominator. And my numerator is going to tell me the shaded part. 1, 2. So I would have 2/6 for number 2. Let's count the parts for number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for my numerator, or for my denominator. My numerator is going to tell me how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To give me 5/9. Then we have a total of 8 stars over here on number 4, and only 1 is colored in, so that would be our fraction for the shaded part. Let's color each picture to show the fraction now. So we're doing 1/3, so we're going to color in 1 of those hearts. And then let's try over here, 5/8. So let's color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would go like this and down and around and color all that goodness in. Let's do some story problems. There were 5 red apples and 3 green apples in a bowl. What fraction shows the number of green apples? So let's circle that number, that word green. Okay, and we're writing a fraction. Let's do the total amount of 5 and 3, which is 8 total apples. And then what fraction shows the number of green apples? 3. All right. So let's do it on number, so we would have 3/8 is the fraction that shows the number of green apples. Number 8, the Murphy family buys a 10-slice pizza for dinner. They eat 7 slices. What fraction shows how much pizza they ate? So I'm going to circle my important numbers. 10 is the total. They eat 7. So what fraction shows how much they ate? Not how much is left, but how much they ate. So they ate 7, and we know that there's a total of 10 to give me 7/10. All right, friends, keep practicing some fractions again tonight. We'll practice again tomorrow in class. And I think we're almost ready for our Domain 5 geometry test. You guys are working so hard. So keep up the good work. Practice a little bit more tonight, and we'll see you in class tomorrow. Bye, guys.